Hello friends, so in this video we are going to discuss practice question for GRE Quant portion. And before starting this video, let me introduce myself. I am Poojan Davda and I am former student of IISc Bangalore, MTech Mechanical. In GATE exam, I have secured AR 66 in mechanical background. So here is very first question on your screen. So let us read the question first. If an investment of P dollars is made today and the value of the investment doubles every 7 years. If we invest P dollars today, then after 7 years it will become 2 times of P, right? Then what will be the value of investment in dollars 20 years from today? If we invest P dollars today, then what will be its value after 28 years? Options are given in form of P. In every 7 years, our investment get doubles. That is given to us in the question. Okay. So if I'm investing P dollars today at 0 years, right? At 0 years. So after 7 years, it will become 2 times of P. After 7 more years, it will become double of original amount, that is 2P, right? So in every 7 years, it will be doubled. 0 years to 7 years, then 7 years to 14 years. Okay. After 7 more years, it will become twice of 4P. So I'm writing 8 times of P, but okay, so let me write here. After 7 more years, it will become 8 times of P, 2 times of 4P, it is 8 times of P. And after 7 more years, it will become 16 times of P, right? So we can just increase time by 7. 0 to 7, 7 to 14, can say 21 years. So we have to find what will be the value of the investment in dollars after 28 years from today. This is today, and this is value after 20. You have to just multiply earlier term by 2 in the span of 7 years, right? In the span of 7 years. These all are span of 7 years. So P into 2, 2P. We'll multiply by 2 again. 2P into 2, 4P. We'll multiply by 2 again. 8P and 16P. Like this. So correct answer will be option C. Right? Option C is correct answer for this question. Okay, so let us move on the next question. In a single line of people, there is a single line of people waiting to purchase tickets for a movie. They are going to watch a movie. There are currently 10 people behind Sandra. Okay. Right? There are currently 10 people behind Sandra. If 3 of the people who are currently in the line ahead of Sandra purchase tickets and leave the line. 3 people who are ahead of the Sandra, they have purchased the tickets and then leave the line. And no one else leaves the line. उनके अलावा किसी ने line leave नहीं किया. There will be certain number of people ahead of Sandra. Out of those people, 3 people have purchased the ticket and left the line. And no one else leaves the line. Not from ahead, not from behind. Then there will be 8 people ahead of Sandra in the line. Then how many people are there in the line currently? Right? You have to find how many number of people are there in the line at current state. If 3 people leave the line, then there will be 8 people ahead of Sandra, right? There will be 8 people ahead of Sandra. So can we write this box stands for S, Sandra, right? And this is, we can say, ticket counter, right? This is ticket counter. We are given that there are currently 10 people behind Sandra. So I am writing there are 10 people. If 3 people purchase the tickets, there will be 8 people left. But currently there will be 8 plus 3 people. Yes or no? This is the current state. Yes or no? You can read the question once again if you want. Yes. If 3 of the people who are currently in line, those 3 peoples are currently in the line, and we have to find total number of peoples in the line at a current state, right? So we can say currently there are 10 peoples behind S and there are 11 people ahead of S, Sandra. So total how many people will be there? Right? Including Sandra as well, right? We have to find total number of people. So 10 plus this one, don't forget this one, 11. So there will be 22 persons in the line. Yes or no? If you will add this 8 with 10, it will be 18 plus 3. You have to add this all the terms. 11 plus 10, 21 plus this one. Don't forget this one, else you will be getting 21 as an answer, but answer is of numerical entry type and we have to enter the integer, that is 22. So this is quantitative comparison type of question. A company plans to manufacture 2 types of hammers, type R and type S. Cost of manufacturing each S type is $0.05 less than twice the cost of manufacturing each hammer of type R. The manufacturing cost of hammer S is $0.05 less than twice the cost of manufacturing each hammer of type R. Okay. And quantity A and quantity B are given to us. What is quantity A? The cost of manufacturing 1000 hammers of type R plus 1000 hammers of type S. What is quantity B? The cost of manufacturing 1500 hammers of type S. Right? These both are quantities A and quantity B. Okay. But we have to develop a concept so that we can compare. So for cost price of R, I write this in this form. For cost price, I am defining cost price of R is equal to X, right? So what will be cost price of hammer S? $0.05 less than twice of cost price of R. So it will be 2x minus 0.05. Cost price of S is $0.05 less than twice of cost price of R. Because we want to compare, so we want cost price of R and S in same unknown or variable, right? So now we have to find quantity here. The cost of manufacturing 1000 hammers of type R and 1000 hammers of type S. This is per hammer, right? This is per piece. This is per piece. Yes. So what will be quantity here? 1000 times of x plus 1000 times of 2x minus 0.05. Yes, we can write quantity A. 1000 times of x plus 1000 times of 2x minus $0.05. Sorry, $0.0005. Yes, you can just simplify this. Right? So 1000 times x plus 2000 times x, that will become 3000 times x. 1000 into 0.05 with negative sign, that will be minus. So this is our quantity A, right? This is our quantity A. So for quantity B, what is quantity B? The cost of manufacturing for 1500 hammers of type S. For type S hammer, this cost per piece. So quantity B will be 1500 times this 2x minus 0.05. So that will be equal to 3000 times of x minus 75. So we can write these quantities over here, right? 3000 x minus 50 and 3000 times of x minus 75. So yes, we can say quantity A is greater than quantity B, because x is going to be positive, right? X is greater than 0. So this term will be greater than this term. Yes, we can say x greater than or equal to 0. It will be greater than 0 because cost can't be 0, right? Cost can't be 0 or negative. So yes, quantity A is greater than quantity B. All right. So let's move on to the next question. A car dealer received a shipment of cars. Very good. Half of which are black. Half of which are black. With the remainder consisting of equal numbers of blue, silver and white cars. He got a shipment of cars, black cars, blue cars, silver cars and white cars. During the next month, 70% of black cars, 80% of blue cars, 30% of silver cars and 40% of the white cars were sold. Next month, according to given data, cars has been sold. What percentage of the cars in the shipment were sold during that month? Total, what percentage of the available cars got sold? Right? There are types of cars. So we have to assume suitable value at any one place so that we can easily solve this question. We got a shipment consisting of 4 different car colors. To make this question easy for you, I am assuming blue, silver and white cars are equal in number. So I am assuming 100 blue cars, right? I am assuming 100 blue cars. So silver cars will also become 100 and white cars will also become. How many black cars will be there? So half of the shipment is of black cars and the remaining half of the shipment is of blue, silver and white cars. So there are total 300 blue, silver and white cars. That is half portion. So another half portion will also become of 300 cars. So we can say total cars will become, right? If you assume total cars is equal to 600, right? You can assume this 600. So 300 cars will be of black colors, and remaining 100, 100 and 100 cars will be of blue, silver and white colors respectively. Okay, so now we have to find cars sold. How many blue cars sold? Number of cars sold in next month, right? So I'm writing black, then blue, okay, then silver and white. Okay, 70% of black cars sold. What is 70% of 300? 300 into 70 divided by 100. That will be 210 black cars out of 300 cars get sold, right? 80% of blue cars. So we have assumed number of blue cars is 100, right? So 80% of 100 will become 80 itself. 30% of silver cars, so it will become 30, and 40% of white cars, right? So when you assume any value as 100, it will be very easy to calculate. 100, 100, 100, total 300 over here and 300 over here. So total how many cars were sold in the next month? 210 plus 40, 250 plus 110. We can say 360 cars, right? Yes or no? Will be 360. 120 plus these 150 and 210. What percentage of total cars were sold? What will be the answer? Our answer will become number of cars sold, that is 360, divided by total number of cars, 200. Right? So answer will become 60%. Numerical entry type question. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in our upcoming video. And do go through all other videos so that you can get practice questions from all the possible types and techniques from myself, from my side as well. See you all in our upcoming video.